Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about limits in Instagram. So guys, here I will discuss how limits works and how can you turn on or turn off limits in your Instagram. So guys, if we talk about limits, you can read here that how limits work. So guys, limit unwanted interactions. So guys, from here you can read this is for limit unwanted interactions on your Instagram. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. So guys, if you feel that you are being harassed from someone and if you want to limit these harassments, here I will show you how can you turn on or turn off limits, or how can you set limits on your Instagram. So guys, don't worry about this. You will have to just simply close the window, and from here just again open your Instagram, and from here just tap on your profile, and from here tap on three lines and tap on settings and tap on privacy, and from here tap on limits, and from here you can simply turn off or turn on limits, and you can set your limits here. So this is very basic and very simple. Hopefully you have understood the video and limits. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.